Hello viewers, welcome to our course Web Design and Development in English. In today's lesson, we will talk about the HTML styles. The HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an HTML element such as color, font size, and more. Here's an example. This sentence shows that I'm red, it says that I'm blue, and this one says that I'm big. HTML style attribute. Setting the style of an HTML can be done with the style attribute. The attribute I had taught you in the previous lessons, you can check out in the playlist section of our web designing course. The HTML style attribute has the following sentence. First of all, we will write down the tag name, and then we will set the style and the property name and its value. Now first of all, we will talk about the background color of our web page, which will be given in the body section. Here is an example. In the body tag or body element, we will write this code style equal into double quotes. We will write down here the background color. This is the property, and this is the value of this property, powder blue. Now we will move down. In the example, we will also give the color of different elements by using h1, paragraph, h2, or other elements. We can also use this background color property, or just we will give the text color. For using the background, we will use this background color property, and for the simple text color, we will just use the color property, not a background color property. And this is the value of this property, and this is the attribute. Now we can also change the fonts by using this font family property of this style attribute, and then we will see the text size in this section, and finally we will check out the text alignment property. Now come to the practical section. Now first of all, we will use the background color of our whole document. We will use first of all the style attribute, and then double quotes, and in the double, and this is the equal sign, and in the double quote section we will use the background color by using the colon. I'm using cyan, and after this sentence or statement I'll use the semicolon. Now let me to check. You can see the background color has been changed. Now I will use the background of this heading tag background. After that we will use the just color of this heading text. Now I'm using the style attribute equal sign into double quotes, background color colon red. Now let me to check. You can see the background has been changed by using this background color property. Now I will remove the background word and we'll see the result. Now you can see the text color has been changed. Now I will change the font family of this heading. Now font family colon Arial. Now we will check it. Now the font has been changed by using this font family property of this style attribute. Now I can also change the font size. Hmm, 300%. Now we will check it. Now we have used the two properties in this attribute. First one is font family and other is font size. Now we will align the text of this heading, or we can change the alignment of this paragraph tag to style equal to, in the double quotes I will use the text align property as center. Now you will see the result. My text has reached in the center of this document. So we have learned all these properties of the attribute style, background color, text, font family of text fonts, font size of the text, and text alignment property. Here is an example of exercise. Now it's saying that use the correct HTML attribute. We have to use the correct HTML attribute and CSS to set the color of paragraph to blue. Now we have to color this paragraph into blue. I will use it here, the style attribute, and in this fill in the blank text box I will use the property to change the just color to blue, color colon blue. Now we will submit this answer. Now check this answer by submitting this button. Now it has said that this is the correct answer. So there are so many other exercises available, we can change it. Now it also says that use CSS to set the font of the paragraph to Courier. I can change it, font family. Now we will check the answer. It's also correct. If you will practice more, you will be able to understand well this HTML coding and web designing course. Without any exercises or practicing, you will not be able to be master in this web designing course. If you will not be able to web design, how you will be able to be master in the web development course? So I suggest you to practice more. So we'll meet in the next lesson. See you. Bye bye.